hack squat is a great exercise for the quads, glutes, and just a general lower body exercise. So for this, what we want to do is unlock the mechanism on the machine, and then we're going to go down into that squat position. Feet positioning wants to be in a position where your ankles don't limit the range of motion, and there's a few key points we want to think about when we're doing a hack squat movement. First thing is a slow negative, so that means a slow movement on the way down. It's really trying to control that downward phase, and we also want to make sure that we're getting adequate hip depth, so going past 90 degrees if possible creates more stretch through the quad and therefore is going to work the quad more. Also, if we push through the entire foot, particularly the heels, a lot of people come onto their toes for this, so just make sure you're pushing through the whole foot when you do this one. Pretty straightforward movement because the machine controls the movement, so we just want to make sure we're going slow and controlled on the way down, nice explosive push or fast push on the way up, as fast as you feel you can. Obviously, as the weight goes up, that will not be as fast as you would be able to do from a really explosive movement. Just going up as fast as you can. For more exercises like this, check out the video on the screen now.